Press the silver key, select the gift services with the F4 logo. Screen will show factor for gift. Press enter. This will bring you to the main menu screen. From the main menu screen, press 1 for gift. Press 1 for issuance. Enter the amount, press enter. Swipe or key in the card number. You'll be prompted to print a customer receipt. Press 1 for no, press 2 for yes. From the main menu, select 1 for gift. Press 2 for gift redemption. Enter the amount and press the enter button. Swipe or key in the card number. You'll be prompted to print a customer receipt. Press 1 for no, press 2 for yes. From the main menu, press 2 for balance inquiry. Swipe or key in the card number. This will print out a receipt showing your current balance.